water, soap with a detergent, towel, sanding sponge. In today's video, we're going to be prepping this table. So what I have is my angled sanding sponge, a bowl full of water, paper towels, and detergent soap. Alright, let's start. So what I'm going to do is just pour some soap in my water, put this aside, grab a sponge, grab a towel, stir the water around just a little bit to get the soap mixed in with your water. Shake out, or you may wring your excess sanding sponge, and then just start sanding to get any of the high gloss sheen that is already applied to your piece. You can use the angle part to actually get into the crevices. I'll actually move my bowl underneath. Just go through the entire piece with your sanding sponge, legs, back, front. And like I said, one more time, any of the crevices, don't worry about any of the runoff excess water that is left behind on the piece, because you're going to use your towel to wipe it. And constantly through the project, you're going to want to go back in your water, rinse your sanding sponge, shake, wring, and just keep going. And what this is going to do is actually going to take all the dirt and grime off your piece, as well as, like I said, if there's a high gloss, the sanding sponge will actually help loosen up that as well as take it away. What's nice about the wet sanding is when you use sandpaper, you get all of the debris that's left behind on your piece and the air. With wet sanding, doesn't happen. It's kind of a cleaner prep. A little bit easier as well, I'd say. Go in here and get this leg. Make sure you get the bottoms in this 45-degree angle, which actually will help get underneath to those very hard to reach areas. And actually, when doing a piece with the wet sanding for prepping, it should only take about 5 minutes, depending on the size of your piece. Like this, you can tell I'm already done. So just throw your sponge back in the water so it can soak. Grab a little bit more towels, and then you're just going to wipe down your piece. And as you can see, the leftover behind resin from the sanding sponge actually cleaned and took off any of the little gloss that was behind. With the paper towel, you're just taking off the excess water, any of the debris left from the sanding sponge. It actually helps with when you're about to go and paint your project. Gets rid of all that dust. Pick up my towel. And that's the wet sanding process of prepping your project.